In this video, we're going to discuss about ascent of sap and its events in transportation in plants and circulation in animals. So, ascent of sap and its event, an overview. The upward movement of water and minerals from roots to different parts, that is different plant parts, is called ascent of sap. That is, see here, this is as a soil containing water, and this part is the root hair portion. That is, the root hair absorbs the water through osmosis. In the form of osmosis, the water is pushed upwards. So this upward movement is called, that is the upward movement of water is called ascent of sap. So the upward movement of water and minerals from roots to the other parts of the plant is called ascent of sap. A number of factors plays a role in ascent of sap, and it takes places in following steps. So there are number of factors are playing in this ascent of sap. The first one is root pressure. Water from the soil enters the root hairs due to osmosis. The root pressure is responsible for the movement of water up to the base of the stem. So when the root, that is through the root hairs, the soil has the water and the minerals. So through this root hair, the water and the minerals enters into it. So that time I enter through it through osmosis. So this osmosis pushes the water to upward direction. So that is called root pressure. So due to root pressure also the ascent of sap can occur. Next, capillary action. Water or any liquid rises in a capillary tube because of the physical force. That is physical force. This phenomena is known as capillary action. So you can see the capillary action. From the base, you have capillary means you are pushing inside the tube the water. So that is the uptake of water through a capillary tube. It is called capillary action that takes place from the root to the tip of the stem. Okay. So in the same way, in stem, water rises up to certain height because of capillary action. So when the water enters into the stem through capillary action, the same way the water rises till the tip of the stem. That action is called also capillary action. Addition, cohesion of water molecules. So the water molecules form a continuous column in the xylem because of forces of addition and cohesion among the molecules. So there should be a force. Okay. So when the water molecules moving along, there are some other particles also, no? So where that has to bind it with. Some may attract, some may repel. So that process is called addition, cohesion of water molecules. First we will see the cohesion. The force of attraction between the molecules of water is called cohesion. So there is an attraction between the water molecules. So that is called cohesion. Addition. The force of attraction between the molecules of different substance. So water molecule itself you have an attraction of force, means that is called cohesion. Addition means other than the water molecules come and join with the water. That process is called addition. So water molecules stick to xylem because of the force of addition. So water is stick to the xylem elements. So that is also called as addition. So more to know, you have to know the leaf, that is the dew parts. You can see in the grass leaves in the morning time you can see the dew in the early mornings. So due to the climate, humidity, it occurs and the excess of water is also excluded in the form of liquid from the leaves. Okay. So this is due to the root pressure, and this phenomena is known as guttation. So the excess of water is excluded from the leaf. That is called guttation. It is due to the root pressure, and takes place in the specialized cells known as hydatodes. From this they can ask what is hydatode and what is guttation. Transpiration pull. So transpiration pull means through the stomata, that is the transpiration takes place through stomata. Transpiration means the loss of water in the form of water vapor that takes place through stomata. So there, while the water is removing from the leaf through stomata, it creates a vacuum. So due to that vacuum, the pressure was created, and due to this pressure, the suction pressure arises. This leads to the transpiration pull. So the transpiration pull sucks the water column from xylem tubes, and thus the water is able to rise to a great height even in the tallest plant. So due to this suction pressure, that is the transpiration pull, it creates a suction of water, that is it's sucking the water from the xylem tubes. So due to that, it can reach till the height is more in the plant, till the tip of the tree the water can be reached through this transpiration pull. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. If you want to watch the video in Tamil, I had given the link in the description box. You can go and watch it. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.